This lead-acid battery online monitoring system currently monitors 2 groups of batteries. Each group has 40 sets. Each set is 12 volts. Let me introduce to you the modules used in the entire system. ABAT100 12 single battery monitoring module. One piece installed on each battery used to monitor voltage, internal resistance, and negative electrode temperature of a single battery. You can see that each battery has been installed. These are ABAT100 address data collector and ABAT100C. The data collector collects the parameters of each battery, the charge and discharge current of the C module, and the ambient temperature, then processes the data, generates the alarms, and makes uploading. Touchscreen is installed in a wall-mounted data acquisition boxes in the battery room. The touchscreen can display alarm information quantities, resistance voltage, charge and discharge current, battery status, SOE, SOH, etc. of the entire battery set. Each interface can display the parameters of a single battery. This is single monitoring module. This is the test line of S module. This one is a negative pole and this one is positive pole. They have been installed on this battery, and cold, ferrule, and spine of the battery are fixed with screws. The battery cap is on it. This end is connected to the 6-star terminal of the module. This module can be glued to battery or battery rack or bound to the rack through screw hole ties. On the left are 2 TTL interfaces used for 1-in, 1-out ring networking. The communication lines are directly inserted into interfaces, and the installation of the 1S module is completed. This is the address collector and C module. Both can be glued to the data acquisition box via 3M glue. It can also be bound to this battery rack through the screw holes on both sides with ties. This is ABAT100 address data collector. It has 2 star RS485 tuners and is directly connected to the local touchscreen. Below the ABAT100 HS collector are 2 TTL terminals used to connect communication cables and form a ring network. There are 2 terminals on the right for 24-volt power input, provide power to the address collector. On the right is ABAT100C charge and discharge current monitoring module. There is a 6-star terminal on it, which is connected to the Hall sensor. It has been put on this cable to monitor the current. There is also a temperature and humidity sensor to monitor the temperature and humidity of the environment. Under the module, there are 2 TTL interfaces, 1-in and 1-out, for ring networking. On the right is a terminal for 24-volt power input. This is the touchscreen of ABAT100 online monitoring system. 7-inch and 10-inch can be selected. This is the screen interface. Let's check the wiring behind it. There is a ring adapter board. 7A8B is connected to the downstream ABAT100 address data collector. 4A9B is connected to the upstream power environment system. Above is the 24-volt power input which powers the touch screen.